We like food.
Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking glazed butter and honey carrots. This is a beautiful combo of sweet and savoury, making it the perfect side dish for any fancy dinner. Start by peeling your carrots. Then slice on an angle, removing the top of the carrots. Next, peel 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. If you're anything like me, you can't get enough garlic. Crush and finely dice. Next, light a chimney of charcoal. Then place a saucepan over medium heat. Add 200 grams of butter to the pan, allow it to melt and begin to brown. Next, add the diced garlic and cook down. Then add 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Please don't go buy the crap from the supermarket, get some nice raw honey. Add the carrots and mix them through the butter and honey. Season with white pepper and a pinch of salt. Cover and allow to cook for 20 to 30 minutes until fork tender and the honey and the butter has caramelized. Spoon the carrots into a serving bowl and garnish with some chopped parsley. There you have it, glazed butter and honey carrots. These are a beautiful mixture of sweet and savoury and will be a hit at your next fancy dinner party. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.